Hello folks, welcome back to the channel again. Another day, another video. Today we are going to dive into the world of picklists. What's the difference between picklists and dependent picklists? So basically, controlling picklists or checkbox where the options in one field depend on the selection in another field. For example, if you select a USA in a country picklist, the state picklist will show only US states. So basically controlling checkboxes or picklists basically controls each other. Like column A will control the column B. If you select anything from column A, then automatically something will be selected from the column B. That means the controlling checkbox or controlling picklists. Dependent picklists basically where values are determined by the selection in a controlling field. Dependent picklist basically improves data accuracy and users experience by showing only relevant options. For example, if you select a Canada in a country picklist, so the province in the state picklist will show only Canadian provinces. Like that means if you choose anything from a column A, then in the column B, only those values will be shown that you have selected in the column A. I will show you a visual demonstration so you can better understand the difference between the controlling picklist or checkboxes or dependent picklist or checkboxes. So let's move forward. Coming back to our settings, we have to go to the object manager again and go to the custom object, which is student. And now go to the fields and relationships, create new, and select a pick list as a data type. Select next. You can say country 2.0, and enter values. For example, Africa, Saudi, China, etc. And then click next. Choose the field level security for profiles and then click next. Select if you want to show it on the page layout or not. Click next. Now make another one for the dependent picklist. Again, select the picklist value as a data type. Click next. Now label like state. And enter the values. For example, A, B, C. And then click next. And next. And then save. Now, two fields you have created, country 2.0 and state. Now you wanted to use them as dependent or controlling picklist. So what you will do, you will click the field dependency over here on the right side, click new, and then you have to choose which one will be the controlling field, which is country 2.0, and which will be the dependent field, which is state. Now what you have to do, you have to map the values with each other. For Africa, the state value will be A, and you have to click this and create value. For Saudi, the state value will be B, and for China, the state value will be C. And now you have mapped the controlling picklist with the dependent picklist. And now click save. And now if we will refresh the page, you will be able to see these two fields, which are one is controlling picklist and second one is dependent picklist. Now if we select country, like for example Africa, then only A option will be shown, no, not the other ones. And you can say save. Same if you will say Saudia, then only B options will be shown over here. So we will set B. So there won't be any mess or chaos. So it's the easiest way of making pick list values of your own choices. So this is it for today. We have learned what's the difference between controlling picklists and dependent picklists. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, which is CRS Info Solutions. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.